Do you want to buy a car? I mean a nice, beautiful and strong one, with no fault. From a tested and trusted dealer. Akibi Motors, a verified dealer, not one that will sell a car that will be having issues on the highway, but one bought from the United States of America. Akibi Motors sells any kind of motor vehicle used in America. It is a Nigerian-American automobiles and transport logistics company. This means that they ship to any part of the world. Things you need to know: we handle every logistics and delivery of our cars. Cars are exactly how they look in display, no alteration. Our cars are specially hand-picked by us, and there is a full car video inspection at point of sale, for customers' authorization. Contact us on our US office at 91601 Hollywood Freeway, North Hollywood, Los Angeles, California, USA. And our Nigerian liaison office is at 120 Wethraw Road, opposite City Secondary School, Owerri, Imo State, Nigeria. Or visit our website at www.okibiyamotors.com. This video is kindly brought to you by All's Assistance.